Hi folks, today we're out here with one of Cousin Twinkie's guns. This is a Remington 700 with the VTR barrel, triangular type barrel with kind of like a little break up here where we get our gases out. On top we got a Bushnell 6x18 scope, and we're going to be shooting at 100 yards, and we are using a 50 grain VMAX using CFE 223 powder. Going to see what kind of grouping we can get with this. Below each shot we'll have the grains that we had in there. So let's get after it and see what this gun will do. Okay, so you can kind of see how that grouped. Had a couple halfway decent groups. We're going to work on those a little bit, but as I say, beautiful gun, nice shooter, very light recoil. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.